Hey, it's Liz from Thrice, and it's Web3 Wednesday. And this week we're going to talk about self-custody of a crypto wallet and why it's important. There's a phrase in Web3 called your keys, your coins. And essentially what that means is if you're in full control of your crypto wallet, you have access to both the private keys and the public keys. As a reminder, a public key is an address that you can share with anyone who would like to send you tokens or Ethereum or Bitcoin or what have you. And it's similar to the numbers on the bottom of a check or the SWIFT code that you might give to someone who's wiring you money. The private key, however, is basically how you get back into that account should you ever lose your password. There's no one else to call. There's no third party out there that's going to reset this password for you, anything like that. You are 100% in control, and if you lose that password, you are the only one with custody. It's kind of gone forever. So that's why we always say to write that down on a piece of paper and keep it somewhere safe. Now, crypto exchanges and crypto wallets are two different things, and we've talked about that in previous Web3 Wednesdays. An exchange, in simple terms, is kind of like a bank or brokerage that holds your assets. They are the custodian of those assets. Whereas a wallet is more like something after you take money out of the ATM and you put it in your pocket, right? Like you're the custodian of those assets. Now, buying an NFT with a crypto wallet can be a little confusing sometimes, so we've made it really easy at Thrice to join Thrice and get your membership card NFT by doing something called setting up a Winter wallet. Now, Winter is a company that said, you know, it's kind of hard for people to get their heads around this whole buying of crypto and NFTs. So let's make it easy for them. Let's let them check out with a credit card, and we'll set up a place where this NFT can be stored, and we'll hold it for them until they're ready to go ahead and get their own wallet, and then they can just transfer it in. And even though we are calling it the Winter Wallet, it's really more like a vault that holds a whole bunch of safe deposit boxes. And to access that vault, you type in your email and they send you a link. And once you have that link, you click on it and you can go ahead and see your NFT. And really, the functionality they give you is limited to view and to transfer your NFTs, because all you can really do is look at them or move them. It's not a fully functional wallet that lets you connect to other sites. People can't send other assets to you at that wallet because it isn't really a crypto wallet. It's really, again, more of like an interim step, a vault, a holding bin of your asset until you're ready to do something else with it. Now, because you have an NFT in there and you don't have millions of dollars, you know, it's not like, oh my gosh, tomorrow you got to run out and create a crypto wallet. But we do recommend that when you have a little time, you create a Coinbase wallet or a MetaMask wallet. We've got some really simple how-to videos on our website. And then once you've set that up, you're going to know what your public key is, the address where people can send you NFTs or ETH. And you're simply going to move your NFT from the Winter wallet to your crypto wallet, where you will have full custody and you will have full capability to use that wallet in all kinds of different ways in the Web3 world. So hopefully that's a clear understanding of being in full custody of your wallet versus kind of a temporary step with Winter. We're really glad we've offered Winter here to make it easy for you, and we hope that you'll join Thrice, set up that wallet, and then eventually go ahead and move it on over. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next week on Web3 Wednesday.